Today topic of discussion is dietary fibers. Dietary fiber is also called as roughages. Dietary fibers is the name given collectively to indigestible carbohydrate. Indigestible carbohydrate present in food, and this carbohydrate consists of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, glucans, gums, mucilage like inulin and chitin. So dietary fiber, it have other name roughage. It is a indigestible carbohydrate food material presented in carbohydrate. Example: cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, gums, mucilage, inulin and chitin. By nature, they are non-starch polysaccharide. These are the material non-starch polysaccharide. The dietary fibers is not digested by the enzyme of human gastrointestinal tract, so we cannot digest, where most of others carbohydrate like starch and sugar are digested and absorbed. So this dietary fiber human cannot digest because absence of enzyme in gastrointestinal tract. Other carbohydrate only like starch and sugar we can digest and absorb. The main source of dietary fibers are plant source like vegetables, fruits, beans and pulses. Main source for dietary fiber: fruits, vegetables, beans and pulses. Now we will discuss about important functions of dietary fiber. First one is water holding capacity. The dietary fiber have a properties of holding water, and it is well like a sponge with increase in viscosity. So it have water holding capacity. After it become a sponge because of increasing viscosity. Thus fibers added bulk to the diet and increasing transmit time in the gut. That means gastric empty timing, stomach to small intestine, due to high viscosity. So the fiber added bulk to the diet, it will increases transit time. That means gastric empty timing from stomach to small intestine due to high viscosity. Second one is it will absorb organic molecules. The organic molecules like bile acid, neutral, steroid, carcinogen and toxic component. It can be absorbed on dietary fiber and facilitate its excretion. That means it make easy for excretion. Second one is it can absorb organic molecules like bile acid, neutral, steroid, carcinogen and toxic component. So it make easy for its excretion. Third one is it increases stool bulk. The fiber absorbs the water and increases bulk of stool and prevention constipation by increasing bowel movement. So it will absorb high amount of water, so it increasing bulk of stool, so it will prevent a constipation problem. It will increasing bowel movement. First one is water holding capacity. Second one is it can absorb organic molecules. Third one is increasing stool bulk. Fourth important one is it have hypoglycemic effect on fiber. High fiber containing increase the glycemic control, cholesterol tolerance and increasing sensitivity to insulin. So high fiber containing increases this glycemic effect, glucose tolerance and increasing sensitivity to insulin. Next one is on satiety level. That means feeling fulfilled and loss of appetite happen after eating. That's why to prevent diabetic mellitus. So the satiety level, it provided feeling of fullness and help to avoid over consumption of calories. That's why used for treatment of obesity. Then it is another important functions, hypolipidemic effect. It has cholesterol lowering effect. Fibers bind bile acid, cholesterol, increasing their fecal excretion and thus decreases plasma and tissue cholesterol level. So what are the important one? Cholesterol lowering effect. It will bind with bile acid, cholesterol and increasing their fecal excretion. So it will decreases plasma and tissue cholesterol level. So it help prevent heart diseases. Now we will discuss the activities of dietary fiber along the entire gastrointestinal tract. The site and the dietary fiber activities. First one is mouth. It will increases salivary secretion. Second one is stomach. It delay gastric emptying. Third one is small intestine. It delay that observation of food, and large intestine trap water and bind cautions. Then stools soften, enlarges and prevent straining, that means pain. So sight, mouth increases salivary secretion, mouth delay gastric emptying, small intestine delayed observation, large intestine trap water and binding cautions. Next one is significance of dietary fiber. It prevent constipation problem, then improvement in glucose tolerance and insulin response. Third one is it will increases satiety, then reduction of hyperlipidemia, hypertensions and other coronary heart diseases, and reduction of some cancer, colon cancer kind of things. So these are the important significance: prevent constipation, improvement in glucose tolerance, increasing satiety, reductions of hyperlipidemia, hypertension and other heart related diseases, then reduction of cancer. This is all about dietary fiber. Now we will see that notes format. Thanks for watching.